The Shriram Finance Business Loan is designed for both salaried individuals and self-employed professionals. Applicants must have a minimum turnover of more than 1 crore rupees. The co-applicant's age should be between 21 and 70 years, and the applicant must have a CIBIL score of more than 680. Eligible applicants can avail of loan amounts ranging from 1 lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees with tenures spanning 12 to 60 months. The interest rate ranges from 18% to 22% on a reducing rate basis. Approval is completed within 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges are set at 4%, while processing fees amount to 2% of the loan amount. Part payments are not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory, and a co-applicant is required. The business must have been operational for at least 3 years. The processing mode is online, and ownership proof is essential. Either the office or residence must be owned and located within the lending branch's vicinity. A unique selling point, USP, of this loan product is that the number of inquiries and the number of running loans do not affect the loan eligibility. The loan is available within a 50-kilometer radius. Certain profiles are ineligible, including applicants with both rented office and residence, advocates, dwellers, share traders, gym owners, liquor business operators, and real estate professionals. There are no specific products tailored for professionals. The required documents include KYC for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 years' income tax returns, ITR, with income computation, and the last 3 years' tax audited balance sheets. Additionally, applicants must submit their last 12 months' bank statements, the last 2 years' 26 as, and copies of GST and MSME registration. The last 12 months' GST returns must also be provided. Applicants with existing loans need to submit sanction letters for all running loans and a debt sheet. Ownership proof is necessary, with the latest utility bill of the residence if owned or a rent agreement if rented, along with the latest utility bill or rent agreement for the office. 2 references with contact details, the last 3 years' records of debtors and creditors on letterhead, and a list of directors and shareholders for companies or a list of partners for partnerships or LLPs must also be submitted.